Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present a few ways how we can make money with sewing. Sewing is a good way how we can make money. There are some advantages and disadvantages to that. Advantages is that people are used to buying those kind of products and are willing to support it only because they see the work behind it. The one disadvantage there is in sewing, what I think, is the amount of work that you have to put in. This is something that probably you can agree on when someone is creating something and you're working on like for hours and hours, and you're gonna sell it and you have to do it again. So in my recommendation, what I'm going to show you and talk to in this video is how we can make it as kind of like passive income, that what you can actually build, so it's going to earn you money while you're doing the custom jobs for people. So let's just start, and I'm really excited to share you my ideas and what I think is a good way. Now, the first way, what I would recommend for everyone to do, and there isn't a competition, and you should definitely do it long term, is just start a YouTube channel in which you're gonna talk about your journey, the way you create the products, and also what you can do is to sell your products thanks to YouTube channel. I have a mini course down below in the description that you can actually just join for free, and I'm talking about the most important steps when you're creating a YouTube channel. What are the steps you need to take to succeed? And now, sewing tutorial, and I'm going to write it here on YouTube. Let me show you. Is it okay? We can look on the channels that make a lot of videos, and you can make those too. And I can help you with it. What kind of research, what you should do. Like this girl here is huge and big, and this connects like to your YouTube channel. When you would create a YouTube channel and start creating videos, you need to get inspiration what other people are doing. Then you can do that too. You can even do it with mobile. It's not really important to have like top-notch audio video quality, like completely throw it out of the window. It's not that important. Audio, yes, but you don't have to have like top video quality. Now, when you would have it, and I'm going to show you the stats of this girl, or this woman, that's better to say, you see that she's getting like 200k views with selling the products, with having her own store. She's making like really good money. Now there's like 400, 500 bucks just from this, maybe even more, and then store, affiliate, etc. So when you have your YouTube channel, and I also recommend, guys, definitely open, we will get to the Etsy account and Instagram too in this video. When you have your YouTube channel, what you can do and have is own your Shopify store and sell it for your Shopify store, your products that you're creating. What you can do also is to create courses. So I can come here and write sewing courses. That's another way how we can actually make money. And you can sell those, right? On like Skillshare, Teachable. And there are plenty of students who are using these courses and they want to learn how to do it. The basic, and you see there are plenty of students, or you can sell it by yourself. That's also a good way how you can make money. I would recommend going that way, like you would earn just more money. So that's another way how you can make like good revenue. Now, what I would recommend, definitely use Etsy. Use competition of Etsy like Amazon, eBay, where you would sell your products. But my recommendation is definitely that I would really try to specialize if you have the time for it, and if you have like emergency fund, if you have the capital. Etsy is good if you're gonna have like organic search, but don't bring traffic to your Etsy store, because Etsy takes a lot of cut from your revenue. What you want to do is actually have your own store, which you have like lower transaction fees, or when someone just contact you through the Instagram DMs that you would like create something for them. In that way, it's much more effective. Etsy is perfect when I'm going to like sewing patterns that you would create, right? That you can sell those. But don't promote it directly on Etsy. Have it Etsy as an organic reach. If someone is going to write in an Etsy search the sewing patterns, have your own Instagram account in which you will be posting. Have your own Pinterest. So to say, create a YouTube channel, have Instagram, Pinterest. Use Etsy as something for organic reach. On Pinterest and Instagram, you want to use like the normal with hashtag strategies that you would promote your content, and people will start writing you up. Like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. What I would also do, if you just like write these things up, connect also with Reddit. When I would come here to sewing Reddit for people that sew, and you see the popularity is really rising here, and you could share the tips. Look at this. My new dress is finally finished. Look, this guy just made him by himself, and he could easily sell those. Like, believe me, there are people who contacting him, like, how did he do that? So that's really good. And dress for wedding. Look at this, like this dress is amazing. Amazing. And yeah, so this is something that you can definitely do and definitely like do too. Have Instagram account, have Reddit account, have also Pinterest and do the research. Then also I would have a like YouTube channel, and you can like sell sewing patterns, lessons. You can do the one-to-one consultations that you would teach. If you're locally and there are plenty of people who are interested in sewing, what you can do is actually teach them how to do it, and do the also that you would meet up with them and teach them locally. Like let's say they're like cooking lessons, you know, that you're someone is doing local about like how to cook Indian food. It's like amazing food. They can do it like with 5-10 people, and they're teaching them how to do it. So sewing patterns for women, supplies. So this is really, really great. What you can do, and these things, if you can sell them, I definitely recommend doing it. And I would try to go this way. These are the really good way. So to summarize this whole video, what you can do is, yes, you can sell your own products through Shopify, whatever, or like do the custom work for people who would ask you to create various things. It's a little bit time consuming, but to have a cash flow, it's a good way. I would recommend like posting on Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, maybe even creating YouTube videos. What you can do then is to like selling your sewing patterns. I wouldn't recommend using Facebook, only mainly Facebook groups on sewing. Don't really just use Facebook page and post things, because the organic reach is really bad with the Facebook. So I wouldn't personally do it. Like if you're gonna promote something on Facebook page, it's not going to be that effective comparing to YouTube, Instagram. So don't do it. Go like with the Facebook group, that's much better. Facebook page, it's not necessary. Now to go even further, as I mentioned, Instagram, you can sell your courses if you want to teach people, but like prepare a plan what you want to actually achieve and what you want to create. So what I would do is that, okay, I'm going to use Paint for it because I like using Paint in presentations. So let's say that what I can do is to create a YouTube channel where I would just start creating YouTube videos, right? Then I need to have Instagram, Etsy, where I'm going to like organically put my listing, Pinterest, maybe even Reddit, where I would share the things that I want to do. These are the more like the steps we want to take. Like this is just ideas. Pinterest, Reddit. Now what you want to do is to set up where you're gonna post things there. How often? When you're gonna react? What I would do is that, okay, I would put it in the evening when I'm gonna like chill time, because I like to work until lunch. So Pinterest, Etsy, Reddit, I would post things there. On Reddit is like one time per week that this is something that I was creating. People will be messaging you that I want to learn from you. The name of your YouTube channel should be like the same as the name on Instagram, Etsy, Pinterest, Reddit. Now, when you have these things, you want to maybe even like create your own store that not only they're going to contact you, that you can create something for them. You would have your own store that you can like sell things in. Then what you can do is to also sell courses for people who are interested in using it, like how it's called. Yep, so this is pretty much how you can do it. And then what you can do is to have affiliate marketing. So you can like promote various sites in which like Etsy, etc. And you can earn money from those, like top 5 something in sewing that you can use, top 5 machines, and you can have like Amazon links what they're using. People will be buying that too. So let's say that you are teaching someone about sewing. What you can do is to recommend people. You can actually recommend for people how you can actually build like business about sewing, and you would promote affiliate links from the Amazon. So that's another way how you can actually make money. And these are the ways how you can make money. I hope I gave you some kind of inspiration how we can look on marketing and what you can achieve. You don't maybe even need a YouTube channel. Maybe just going with Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, Reddit is enough for you. You can try. My recommendation is just test things out and test as much as possible and see what works and how you can make money. And yep, thank you very much guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.